If you want to set up a screen lock on OPPO Find X9, first of all we can go to settings. Over here in settings we can scroll down until you find security and privacy, and then in here we can choose device unlock. Now go to the screen lock option, and over here we can choose one of these password types that you wish to set. We have numeric, which is pretty much the same as pin code, alphanumeric, which is a password, and pattern. So in my case I'm gonna choose numeric. And in here we need to wait 5 seconds in order to continue. This is just an information that we should not remember. We must not forget the password, obviously. Now, before we move on, in this specific case, in the case of this type of password, we can tap on use a different password type in order to, for example, use 4 digits instead of 6. But that is just for this pin code. Now, if the password is easy to guess, then your phone may suggest you to use a different password, but in this case we can just confirm that we still want to use it. Of course, we need to enter our password twice in order to confirm, and there we go, we have set our password. Now tap on done, and you might see this suggestion to also set up the fingerprint unlock, so if you want to, you can do that. In my case, I don't want to do that right now. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.